So I'm Scott Morris with thysssenkrupp System Engineering, and we're a manufacturing organization, so we don't use Workfront in its typical marketing fashion. In doing so, we also work directly with our customers with this tool called Lite Brite. But instead of causing turmoil within our customer, we've developed a process in which we can manipulate those dates without upsetting the workflow of everyone else that's actually doing the work within the project. So this is the rendering of what we call the Lite Brite, and it's called a Lite Brite because you see all the beautiful colors. We always work with a customer on a program level, as the customer is buying an entire program. So they're typically not interested in looking at the finer details of a project. So for us, we operate everything by week number. When we look at how our projects are performing, everything's done on a week basis. For us, it doesn't matter how much work is being done in a day. It's like how much work is being done in a week. So if we take a look right here, we had the red square and we see where the overlap is right here. So we have the green and the blue overlapping, but when we turn on details, we actually can see it breaks it out into a new line and then a new line. But the thing to keep a note, when there's not an overlap, we jump back to the first line again. And this is very helpful from a visual standpoint for a project manager to see how the overlaps are really impacting the project. Is work really getting done simultaneously? As we see here, procurement started at the same time as engineering, and then controls started right away. But as you can see, controls took way too much time. And so the overlap, we didn't gain anything from it. And now we have overlaps everywhere in the project. So this allows the project manager to really think about, do we really need to replan this project? Because I'll just say it the way it is, this one's a disaster. So here you see the baseline in the top, and then the light blue is the work plan or the planned.
Great example.
How the work is planning to be done. And as you see, this hasn't moved, but engineering started late. Procurement was still able to maintain as well as keep this. But we can see by these boxes very quickly how our resources are being overloaded in one program. We can see if we're getting out of kilter with our resources.
I love the overlap idea and the ability to explode out or collapse down, so you can really get a terse set of information if you're trying to think holistically about all the work that's been scheduled. So thank you very much.